Okay, so here we are back with Jane Doe, and we're back on our dashboard. You notice a change in our dashboard now that in the next 30 days section, the assignment that was due, which was the essay upload, the 60% essay upload, has now gone because it's been completed. And what we have still in the 30 days one is the second assignment that Roisin has to do for the LMS introduction. And that's assignment 2, recording a video assignment exercise. So we're going to complete that exercise now just to demonstrate how it works. Now, in the last session, we went to the actual course itself to submit the assignment. For this, we're just going to do the submission directly here from within the dashboard because we have that option here. We can click on Add Submission. So we're going to click on Add Submission. It's going to bring us directly to the submission for this. Now, just to double check we're in the right place, the course is the Introduction to the ICHAS Learning Management System. And we're in assignment number 2, recording a video assignment. And I'm just allowing flash on this because sometimes you have to do that. Now, you will very often, this little window here, you will initially, when you first start using this, be asked for permission to use flash to make these recordings. So you need to allow that, and that's the little button here next to allow. So you click on that and you click on the remember so that they won't ask you this question again. And then you just X out of it. And now you can see me with my headset on for this particular session here. What you'd normally be doing is you then face your camera towards yourself and the other person that you say you're doing a practice counselling session, a mock counselling session. You'd face the camera towards the two of you sitting down to record it. In this instance, I'm just asking you to record perhaps a minute or 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes of a recording, just talking about just about anything. So I'm going to start the recording now, and you do that by clicking on the big red button, funny enough. So I clicked on the big red button and it's now recording. So during this process, you can talk about any topic you want, anything whatsoever. It's just to get you into the habit of, making the recording, finishing the recording and saving it so that it's uploaded to the LMS for grading. Because this is just like submitting a document, a Word document, an essay. Same kind of principle. When you're finished, you click on Save Changes and it will be uploaded to the system for grading. Again, the same principle. You'll see up the top here that you have to accept the original content, etc. So that's the acknowledgement that you're accepting it. So you need to click on that before you can do anything. So I've recorded. I've done enough recording here now. I've done 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So I'm going to stop that recording. And you can see that it's actually uploading the recording automatically. Now, you must click on Save Changes for that to be finalized. If you don't click on Save Changes and you click your back button, you will have to go back in again and record again. So I'm just going to click on Save Changes. Now it comes back out to the submissions page for this, submission status, and we'll see that it's been submitted for grading, so we know that your recording has gone up, hasn't been marked, and the usual due dates, etc. are there, submitted online, and the actual recording is here in a funny shaped video window. So I clicked on the big red button and it's now recording. So during this process you can talk about, take a look at that, and why it's that strange size. You want anything whatsoever. Okay, that's for another day. So it's been submitted. If you're not happy with the recording, you can go back in and you can record over it at any stage. That's about it. You just click back into your section, back into your general, and you're back on your course. You'll now see, just for information purposes, that both your assignments have a green tick indicating that they've been completed. Okay, so that concludes this particular recording.